Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to add fractions. Adding fractions is really easy. Let's say we have two fractions, a by b plus c by d. We want to find a number that is divisible by both b and d and is the smallest of its kind. So we're basically saying the LCM of b and d. Now we're going to multiply some number, let's say k, by b to get this LCM, and some number n by d to also get this same LCM. If we're going to multiply by k on the bottom, we have to multiply by k on the top, and if we're going to multiply by n on the bottom, we have to multiply by n on the top. So now we have ak plus cn on the top. This might seem confusing since I'm using variables, but it'll all make sense. Let's try these two problems. So we have 3 by 7 plus 5 by 8. We want to find the least common multiple of 7 and 8. And that is 56. Now, what do we multiply by 56? What do we multiply by 7 to get 56? We multiplied by 8. So we multiplied by 8 on the top and the bottom. Now, what do we multiply by 8 to get 56? We multiply by 7. So we multiply by 7 on the top and the bottom. So we have 3 times 8 plus 5 times 7. That is 24 plus 35. When we add these, we get 59. So 59 by 36 is 59 by 56 is our answer. Let's try the bottom. Let's try the problem here on the bottom. So to find the denominator, we have to do the least common multiple of 9 and 18. The least common multiple of 9 and 18 is just 18. Now, what do we multiply by 9 to get 18? We multiply by 2. So we multiply by 2 on the top and the bottom. So 8 times 2. And now, what do we multiply by 18 to get 18? We multiply by 1. So that doesn't do anything. So we have 8 times 2 plus 17 times 1. Now, 8 times 2 is just 16. 17 times 1 is just 17. So 16 plus 17, that's 33. Now there's a special kind of addings of fraction, and there's a trick to this kind of adding of fractions. So if you have fractions in the form a by b plus b by a, we're just gonna add 2 to a minus b whole square by ab. Now let's try an example. Let's say 6 by 7 plus 7 by 6. So we're gonna add the 2, and we're first gonna label a and b. So we know 6 is a and 7 is b. So we're gonna add the 2 to 6 minus 7 whole square by 6 times 7. Now 6 minus 7 whole square is just 1, since 6 minus 7 is negative 1. And 6 times 7 is 42, so we have 2, 1 by 42. All for this video, and I'll see you in my next one.